Today is talking about soldering, and we're going to show you a quick example how to solder. So we're going to heat up the fitting with a little bit of a flame, controlled flame, not too wild. Control where we're putting the heat. Solder. The joints are already fluxed, so we're just going to run a bit of heat in there. That's the first one done. We're going to go for the 22mm here. Have to add a bit more heat, a bit more time. Should put my heat mat underneath really, innit? This is what these lot will say in the comments, you know. They say stuff like that, you know. I think they're smart. Fucking leave it this time, innit? You still recording?
Yeah.
Just working the flame around. Talking about soldering, and we're going to show you a quick example how to solder. So we're going to heat up the fitting with a little bit of a flame, controlled flame, not too wild. Control where we're putting the heat. Solder. The joints are already fluxed, so we're just going to run a bit of heat in there. The first one done. We're going to go for the 22mm here. Have to add a bit more heat, a bit more time. Should put my heat mat underneath really, innit? This is what these lot will say in the comments, you know. They say stuff like that, you know. I think they're smart. Fucking leave it this time, innit? You still recording?
Yeah.
Just working the flame around.